This is the game David's Trek. There are 6 levels. Each one has a different name. The first one was Bulgaria, the second was Greece, the third was Italy, the fourth was Switzerland, the fifth was Germany, and the sixth was Denmark. To start the game, you obviously press start, and it'll take you to the levels. I only have 1 and 6 on here to make it easier. And so let's go to 1, and you want to use the arrow keys, which I coded to do this. And these I call, the blue one is the good person. The red is the bad person. The blue doesn't stop, it stops you, but it doesn't affect you. The red, it stops you and makes you go start over the level. And so David meets these people, meets different people, and the blue are the people that help him or just give him shelter for a certain amount of time. The red are the bad people that David meets and doesn't like, and eventually escapes. This is level 2. And this one, the third level, is trust, because in Italy, he has to trust the right people. Like the baker, he looked like a friendly man minding his own business, and then one night, David heard him talking to other people and saying that he might be bad. So that would be like this. The blue, they look like regular people, but they make you start over like the red. And it might look like David can't get through, but he finds a way. And same with this one. But there's 3 different paths that he can go. He has to choose the right one, and he moves on. This one is Blind Maze. I'd coded invisible walls to represent when David didn't realize something or finally realized how to get somewhere or that he needs to be somewhere. And this one is the last one. It has a few invisible walls, but nothing hard like the last one. This one is called Home, which is when he gets to Denmark, and on the house it has the address 758, which is the number of his mom's house. And I coded the menu button, and I just used the same good people and bad people to do confetti looking things. And then it takes you back to the beginning. And that's David's Trek. Thank you for listening.